Hey guys, so in today's video I wanted to show you some signs that look alike but are different. So the first ones we're going to start with are make and coffee. So make, put your two fists together, one on top of the other, make, make. Coffee, you're also going to put your two fists together, your top one you're going to go around like this, coffee, coffee. The second set of words, we're going to show you summer, black, and because. Summer, you're going to rub your index finger across your forehead and bend it twice. So, summer, summer. Black, you're going to leave your finger straight, like the color black, black. One time. Black, and then because. So this time you're going to bend your finger and go across one time. Because. Because. So again, summer, black, because. The third set of words is going to be yellow, yellow, and play. So make Y's with your hands. For one hand, you're going to do yellow, the color yellow. So make a Y and just twist your hand, yellow. Play is going to be with two Y's, play, play. And the fourth and last set of words are bathroom and toys. Make a T, bathroom, bathroom. And then for toys, you're going to make two T's, and twist your hands like this, toys, toys. All right, so I hope you found this helpful. A lot of people ask that, for me to show you guys those, and you need help with those because they look so much alike, but they're really different. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.